What is up, fans? I figured I'd make a short video. Nobody on the street, so, or the road, whatever, you name it. The intake review. I drove it for 2 weeks and at least 1,000 miles on it now. The intake sounds nice. Like, I really love it now. As time went by, it became more like part of the car now. The intake is like, it's a must. I can't get rid of it anymore. So that's like the best mod. And just like every time I floor it, I just want to hear that sound. That sound is nice. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Let's see. Yeah, so it's still like no issues or anything like that. Just a quick update, you know, there's no issues, no problems, nothing like that. Performance wise, yes, there's a little bit of performance to it, and just that sound is like spools up and splash. It sounds amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, let you guys hear it. Yeah, it's the windows are closed. I don't want no viruses coming in. So, and it's a red light right now. So, give it a second. Let you guys hear it. I'm gonna move to this side. Maybe you could hear it because the intake is towards the driver's side mostly, like in the hood. Come on. There you go. You guys should hear it now. Yeah, that sounds nice. Before I didn't have those pops, like now I have like extra pops at the end when I floor it and let it go. I guess it's that direct airflow coming to the engine from that intake, so it's great. Yeah, so like I said, I did it for like what, maybe a few dollars less than 50, max $50. Both items. Installment was like 20 bucks, not 20 bucks. Installment was 20. It took me about 20 minutes. So you guys could do it. It's pretty easy. But yeah, just comment below if you really want to do it on a 2019 Honda Accord Sport 1.5, 2.0, whatever. Just comment below and I'll send you the link. This is crazy though. I hope you guys can hear this. I'm trying my best to let you guys hear this intake sound and keeping the phone closer towards the hood area. You know what? I'm gonna make the windows down a little bit, see if you can hear it. Sounds amazing. Stop sign here, hold up. Well, of course, nobody. That sounds amazing. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope that kind of helped you out a little bit on if you wanted to buy one or not. Stay tuned.